In this video, I will show you how to crop a video and screen recording on your iPhone. First step is open your phone gallery or photos and tap the video you want to crop. Then tap Edit in the top right corner. Then tap the crop icon in the bottom right. Then resize the box around your video. If you set aspect ratios, then top right. Then select aspect ratio 9:16 and resize right now. After resize, finally tap done in the bottom right. After preparing video, your final video is cropped, is very amazing.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications.